much for yeah, I get the money. I'm on get waiting at the hand, no be matter of for me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bemi. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not new, thanks for coming back and tuning into my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this blonde using 613 bundles, and my hair is from Peerless Hair. Can I just start by saying I love this hair, okay? I love this hair. Like, the hair is so nice. I don't know, like, I've never done any hair color that's this bright. I'm always like so scared to go for the 613. I'm not gonna lie, if you don't have patience, don't even try, don't even attempt, because this hair, yeah, I think I had to dye the hair like 3 times for me to get this. So it's either you pay someone to do it for you, or you just make sure you have the patience in it. And dyeing hair is expensive. I think I spent like a good £35 trying to get my hair to this, because obviously I had to buy the hair dye and stuff like that. Love, 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 love this hair, okay? Because the hair is just so silky. It's really soft. It doesn't tangle like I'm running my fingers through it. And even though I've processed this hair so many times by dyeing, it's not, you know, the hair is like really soft. The only thing I'll say is that you definitely have to use some sort of hair serum, because the hair is dry. It's 613 hair, so it's definitely going to be dry because it's been processed, you know. So this is the hair serum that I would recommend you use. This is the one that I use on all my bundles anyway, but I like this hair serum because it's not greasy. So even if you put too much, it's not gonna make your hair like really greasy. You know when your hair gets greasy and then it starts sticking together? I hate that so much. That's not a nice look. It's not cute. So this is really good. I would definitely recommend this like hair serum because it's really good. I obviously decided to curl the hair because I just wanted to see what it would look like. I wish I had left it straight because the hair was so nice when it was straight, but I just thought, you know what, let me be extra and see how it would look. I mean, it's fine, but I just wish I left it straight. So yeah, I'm really happy because I feel like this really suits my skin tone. Yeah, I don't really have much to say. Peerless Hair, they sent me 3 bundles of their 22 inches and a 20-inch lace closure. So I'm really happy with this. And the hair is really full as well, by the way, guys. The hair is so full for 3 bundles, like. So I'm gonna make sure to leave all the links that you guys need down below, so please make sure you check the description box for everything you need to know. And if you're not subscribed, I don't know why, but please subscribe to my channel. Like, you've already watched all the way to this point, you might as well subscribe. You keep coming back, so just subscribe, okay? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Also, let me know what you think down below in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye. Okay, so for the closure, I'm going to be using the Nice and Easy Roots Touch Up. I'm going to make sure to list all the products that I've used down below as well, so please make sure you check the description box. So I'm going to dye the roots using the Nice and Easy Roots Touch Up, and then I'm just going to apply this all over the roots. And this part is really delicate, like you want to take your time with it. So obviously the box dye comes with a brush for you to use, which is what I'm using right now, and I'm literally just taking my time to apply this on the roots only, because you don't want to get the dye anywhere else on the hair apart from the roots, because it will show. Bearing in mind this is 613 hair, so any little stain, it will show on this hair. So please just take your time with this. And I'm literally just like making sure that I get the hair dye all over the roots and I'm not missing any part of the hair out. When it comes to dyeing the bundles now, guys, I'm really lazy when it comes to dyeing hair. So for the hair dye, I'm going to be using 3 boxes of hair dye. I used 2 boxes of number 9 L'Oreal hair dye and 1 box of number 7 hair dye from L'Oreal as well. So what I did was I parted the hair into 2 sections. There's no point of me trying to put highlights in the hair at the back because no one's going to see the hair at the back anyway. So, you know, like, I've just parted the hair into 2 and I've just dyed the back one color, and then when I got to the front was when I started doing the highlights and stuff. Because think about it, no one's going to see the back of your hair, so why should I take my time to be doing highlights and stuff when no one's really going to see it? So yeah, so once I get to the top now, I start taking out random sections out of the hair that I'm going to use for the highlights. So once I put the random hair pieces I'm going to use for the highlights to one side, I'm going to carry on dyeing the rest of the hair with that same number 9 box dye. And then once I've applied the dye everywhere, then I'm going to start applying the number 7 onto the hair as well for the highlights. Guys, I'm really bad at explaining, so I think I'm just gonna leave you guys to just watch what I'm doing. And like I said, I'm gonna make sure to list everything I've used down below, so if I've missed anything, just check the description box and it will be there. So once I washed out the hair dye, I went ahead and I straightened the hair, as you guys can see, and this hair is just so nice. It's really nice. You can see here I'm just straightening the hair, and then I'm gonna go in with my hot comb just to get the closure to lay really well. And then after that, I'm going to apply some hair serum just to get rid of the frizziness as well. Like I said, it's 613 hair, so it's going to be dry. You have to keep using, you know, hair serum, but then at the same time, you don't want to use too much so it's not too greasy. So yeah, once I apply the hair serum all over the hair, I'm now going to go in with my Carrot Care hair wax just to lay down the flyaways on top of the closure. That's literally everything, guys. Like, I really like this hair, and I'm happy I decided to do something different as well, because I'm always in black or brown, which I think is so boring. Like, I need to step out of the box a bit now, you know. So yeah, if you like how this wig turned out, then guys, give me a thumbs up, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.